If you died tomorrow, what's the one dream you'd regret not chasing? Right now, someone is living the life you're only dreaming of. They didn't wait. They acted. Here's a fact that'll hit you hard. 80% of people never start their dreams because they're waiting for the perfect moment. That moment doesn't exist. Type START in the comments if you're ready to stop waiting. In the next 10 seconds, I'll share how one woman defied the odds to change history. Stay with me. Wilma Rudolph was told she'd never walk. Polio locked her legs in braces, but she burned to run. At the 1960 Olympics, she didn't just walk. She sprinted, winning 3 gold medals. Her secret? She refused to wait. Type, I'm ready if you're done with excuses. What's one thing holding you back right now? Say it out loud. You're enough. Your doubts, your fears, they're not walls. They're fuel. Every time you feel stuck, that's your chance to grow stronger. Pause for a second. What's one small step you can take today? Maybe it's writing a sentence, making a call, or starting a workout. Write it down. Don't just think. Act. In 10 seconds, I'll tell you how one man turned 300 rejections into an empire. Don't leave. Walt Disney was rejected 300 times. Bankrupt, mocked, he sketched a mouse on a scrap of paper. That mouse became Mickey, and Mickey built Disney. He didn't wait for permission. He acted. What's one excuse you're letting go of today? Comment it below. Your mindset shapes your destiny. See yourself as small, and your world shrinks. See yourself as unstoppable, and doors open. Close your eyes. Picture your dream life, your career, your home, your freedom. Got it? That's your direction. Type, I see it, if you're clear on your goal. Purpose is your fuel. Wilma ran to prove she could overcome. What's your why? What makes your heart race? Pause, feel it. Say it out loud. What's your purpose? In a moment, I'll reveal the one thing that separates dreamers from doers. Keep listening. Discipline builds your dreams. It's gritty. Choosing work over rest, action over excuses. Win the morning. Set one goal today and attack it like it expires tonight. When that voice says, rest, you say, not yet. What's one thing you'll do today? Type it in the comments. Most people quit at 80%. They stop when it gets hard, when the fire fades. Imagine a racer, seconds from the finish line, engine screaming, body aching. Most pull over. You don't. You're inches from your breakthrough. Type, I'm in, if you're ready to go all the way. In 10 seconds, I'll share the secret to never quitting. Gratitude fuels resilience. Every struggle, every lesson, it's a gift. What are you grateful for right now? Say it out loud. It shifts your focus from walls to possibilities. Adaptability is your strength. Life changes, plans fail, flow with it. Do you resist or adapt? Comment adapt. If you're ready to roll with the punches, you've fallen, you've hurt, but you're still here. That's your fire. No one's coming to save you. Will you rise? Pause. Feel that spark inside you. It's saying you're meant for more. Type, I'll rise if you feel it. Your destiny isn't a dream, it's a choice. Every step you take builds it. Don't wait for tomorrow. The world is watching. Will you deliver? Close this video and act. Send that email. Write that sentence. Make that call. Type, I'm doing it, if you're taking action today. Let's go deeper. Think about this. Every successful person you admire faced the same doubts you do. They felt fear, rejection, failure, but they chose to move forward. Take J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter, she was a single mom, broke, rejected by 12 publishers. She kept writing. One yes changed everything. What's one yes you're chasing? Say it out loud. Action creates momentum. The smallest step today, a note, a plan, a single push-up, snowballs into massive change. Pause. What's one tiny action you can take right now? Write it down. Don't let it stay a thought. In 10 seconds, I'll share how one decision can rewrite your future. Stay with me. Every choice you make shapes your legacy. Imagine looking back in 10 years. Will you see a life of what ifs or a life you forged? The difference is now. Type now if you're ready to choose your future. Let's talk about fear. It's real. It's heavy. But fear isn't your enemy. It's your signal. It means you're close to something big. When you feel it, lean in. Take one step through the fear, and it loses power. What's one fear you'll face today? Comment it below. Clarity is your compass. You don't need every step mapped out, just the next one. Picture your goal again. Feel it. What's the next step? Say it out loud. Type next if you know it. Time is your currency. Every second you spend waiting is a second you could have used to build. Imagine a clock ticking down. It doesn't stop. Neither should you. What's one thing you'll do before this day ends? Write it down. Resilience is forged in action. Every time you push through doubt, you get stronger. Think of a time you overcame something hard. That's proof you're built for this. Type, I'm strong, if you know it's true. Your dream is waiting, not tomorrow, not next week. Now pause. Feel that fire inside you. It's still there. What's one step you'll take right this second? Say it out loud. Comment action. If you're moving forward, the world doesn't owe you anything, but you owe yourself everything. Every dream, every goal. It's yours to claim. Close your eyes. See your future. Feel the life you want. It's real. It's possible. Type, it's mine, if you're ready to claim it. One last story. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before the light bulb. Each failure was a lesson. Each no was a step closer. What's one failure you'll turn into a lesson today? Comment it below. Your life is a canvas. Every choice is a brushstroke. Paint boldly. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfection. Start messy. Start scared. Just start. Type, starting now. If you're in. When you look back on your life, what will you see? A dream you chased or a dream you left behind? The choice is yours. Right now, stop this video. Take one step, send that email, write that line, make that call. You're unstoppable. Type unstoppable in the comments if you're acting today. Forge your destiny. Not tomorrow, not someday, now.